Welcome back to the channel. Today for the Losi LMT, we have the low center gravity battery tray from Bowhouse. Let's get this on there. This right here is normally where the battery sits. And under that, we have our LCG battery tray. 2mm here, other side, and then on both sides we have it here. Let's get those off. And it looks like I have to take the top of this receiver cover off, and then right here there's another 2mm. The other side has a 2mm, so you have to hold it. Now we can get to these, and then just comes right out. Now your front header Allens on both sides, you're going to want to take those out. That's going to be our mounting point for the low center gravity. There we go. Through your header bolt in. You're going to want to throw this in. Make sure the flat part is facing the battery, and then we're going to put a nut on this side of the screw.